Look, I love the portraits here. I think this is fantastic, but that ain't a tree in the background. Respectfully, that's a cluster of pubic hair. What's up, guys? Please sit down and join me. Today we're gonna be, oh my god, stop it, stop it. Oh my god, stop. Today we are gonna be taking a long, hard look through some of your guys' art. And because you guys keep asking for this, we're gonna be sharing some not so nice words. And hopefully, you know, just like how I started many art careers in this community, I can end some careers today too. Now, just before we dive into this absolute monstrosity, please remember that everything I say here is going to be satire, and I love you guys very, very much. But to love is to hurt. If you find yourself getting offended by anything I say in this video, just know that I am deeply sorry and I hope that you never recover. Right off the bat, we've got a very strong sketch of Bruce Lee. Oh, it's Jackie Chan. Okay, apparently I'm racist. Oh yeah, that's nice. I love the disappointment on her face. This is probably how she feels seeing that her hip has been broken by you. What's going on here, dude? Can you even, is that even, how the, oh my god. That's a furry. I'm glad we're only seeing the silhouette here. Oh my god. Hold up. Oh, wait a minute. What an absolutely striking likeness to yourself. Well done, Angle. Unfinished, but who cares? It's my best work. You know what? I'm happy for you, man. I'm happy for you. I love the boxes in her shoulders. Man, after this video, if I need a shoulder to cry on, this is the one I'm going to. Boom, just end it all. Oh my god, okay, and you got more for me. The eye, the left eye is clear for takeoff. The right eye ruins everything. Do you know your lefts and rights? Look, okay, next. Okay, you know what? All right, that's it. I'm 13, by the way. I'm literally getting paid to bully kids online. The entirety of my bloodline, thousands of years of Chinese ancestry, has led to this moment. Oh yeah, I love that. Her eyes are just about as close as I am to losing my mind. I love this flat style and whimsical rendering. She's got a lot of life in her eyes, you know, it's as though she can see two things at once. She's like a chameleon, moving her eyeballs independently of each other. And of course, it wouldn't be my fans without some furries. I love you guys. I love you guys so very much. What the hell is this, dude? Is this the furry corn that we were talking about in my last video? Is this what you do? Oh my god. Yeah, Sasha looks like somebody I would not want near a playground. Demons are people too. Yeah, you know, I don't know about this one, guys. Look, I can support the LGBT, but I don't know about the LDBT. Bro, what kind of fetish is this? And what's going on with bro's belly button? Tears. I don't know, man. This looks more to me like I got food poisoned by the local Chinese restaurant and now I'm pooping and throwing up at the same time. No, this is a great drawing though because you've really conveyed that specific emotion properly because I've been there before. I've been poisoned by my own mother's chicken, actually. She's trying to kill me. Okay, all right. Oh, okay. Wow, okay. It looked better before you rendered it. Oh yeah, okay, wow, Jesus. See, these are the types of people who will tell you it's an art style. My work's in different medium, okay. Oh, Jesus Christ. Hold on. What did you do to him, dude? What did you do to him? Yeah, the lights are on, but nobody's home. Oh my god. Again, Jesus Christ. I mean, I can tell who it is. This is, Chris Hemsworth. Man, what is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Is this Diddy? Caption says, I'm scared. You know, with a drawing like this. Why does this look like that one meme of Kim Jong-un that has his face like shrunken in the middle? You know the one I'm talking about? Traditional sketches, I love it. Looks like she got hit really hard on the left side of her face and her whole brain just like shifted to the right. It's great. I'm glad you're depicting people who have gone through traumatic events and I hope she has a speedy recovery. No, seriously, dude, what did you do here? You know, I was gonna roast the drawing, but this is a pretty cool character turn, yeah? Look at, oh, Jesus. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah, oh, yeah. Lovely drawing. Is she supposed to be eating noodles? Because the girth of those look like chicken feet to me. She looks like she's vigorously sucking on some chicken toes. All while maintaining eye contact with me. And this shit is making me uncomfortable. Like, someone call my mom. I want to get picked up. Oh, wow. Yeah, wow. She's all cheek. She looks like one of those hamsters that's been stocking food for later. What the hell is she storing in her cheeks, dude? You know, at first I thought this looked like such a warm and nostalgic scene until I realized he's eating tapeworm. Brother, do your noodles look like that? And ladies and gentlemen, behold, if you find yourself drawing stuff like this, you need psychiatric help. And here we have another beautiful character who looks like she's been punched on the side of her head. Oh my god. Okay, so the reference actually looked like that. All right, well, I guess we gotta pick better references here. Oh, geez. Cart Titan. Oh, okay, that... Dude, you did her so dirty. Oh my god. You turn her into Cart Titan. Pre-transformation? Post-transformation. Cart Titan. Eren Yeager. Dude, what is that? In the name of the Lord, I do not claim this negative energy. Oh, look, it's me. It's me roasting some rats. Or is that you guys? This is pretty cool, dude. Oh, I love this, man. I love it. You even got my skinny calves. How did you know I have small legs, huh? Is this meant to be creepy? Because this is actually scary. I'm fully expecting like a jump scare right now. This is like some stuff you see in a horror movie, man. What? Okay, here's a guy who's been punched in the back of the neck and his whole face just shifted forward. Okay, you see what I'm talking about? Dude, come on, guys. Look, when you're drawing, you got to take a step back every once in a while and take in the overall reference, okay? That guy looks healthy. This guy, on the other hand, is suffering a serious injury. I'm assuming this is a commentary on live action Disney movies, and you know what? Frankly, I agree. This hideous face that not even a mother could love pretty much sums up how I feel about live action Disney remakes. This is like Jinx if you freeform transformed her face to be 2 times as wide horizontally. This is Jonks, not Jinx. Okay, do we see the problem here, guys? The lights are on, and this time for sure nobody's home because there's no space up there for the brain. There's no cranium at all. Like, look at how big her head is. I want to know how you got this from this. Oh, beautiful, beautiful rendering. My first colored portrait and second portrait overall. Honestly, very impressive. And I especially love the space between her eyes. My eye traveling from the left corner to the right corner feels just kind of like the Japanese army going to attack Pearl Harbor. You got enough fuel to get there, but not enough to get back. You know, this is the kind of stuff that makes people suspect that there are aliens living amongst us. Look at those eyes, man. If somebody ever looked at me like that, actually, I don't even know what I would do. I'd probably just freeze and take off my pants. Is that supposed to be a self-portrait? Because if it is, I'm so sorry for the cards that life has dealt you. Enough to be lusted over, never enough to be loved. This gotta be some type of fetish. Does this count as furry core? Dude, what? Okay, bro's got some kind of hyperpigmentation going on in his skin, and you know what? I'm not gonna judge. It's okay. Holy shit. Okay. What the Look, I love the portraits here. I think this is fantastic, but that ain't a tree in the background. Respectfully, that's a cluster of pubic hair. And I can see that through the Gaussian blur, dude. Maybe turn that blur up 100. Something's a little bit off. I can't quite put my finger on it. Just cannot tell what it is. What could it be? Oh, wait, I know. Looks like she got punched from above. Megamind looking that. All right. Okay. Okay. Is that a child? Wait, no, that's her. Who's the shadow? What are we doing here, dude? I've been working too long on this animation. What animate? Do not animate this. No, dude, don't animate that. Go find a patch of grass, dude. Stop. I love the rendering here. Looks like a lip injection gone wrong. Yeah, no, she does not look like that in the reference. And this reference is AI. This is not even real. Ugh, I'm tired of this. I'm getting too old for this. Alright guys, that's enough for today. Hopefully you guys enjoy that. Now just remember that art is not a career for everyone. So if you were in this video, I am so sorry. I hope you don't take it too personally. I love you. Please subscribe to see nicer videos and check out my Patreon for monthly tutorials. I'll see you guys on the next one. Look at this. Y'all think you're so funny, huh? You think you... No, you guys are. You guys are actually funny. I'll give you that. These replies were hilarious. I love you guys.